Show you what these things are. I froze coffee in them for 24 hours. I wasn't really sure how to take this off, but it actually just folds down and then it comes right out. And this is what it made. It's absolutely adorable. I have so many ideas for this. Like you could make little fruit punch bears and put it in like a fruit punch bowl for kids. Or like you could use it in a Kahlua type of alcohol drink for adults to make it extra adorable. Also, we use those mix and match lids for the mason jar drinks, and this looks really cute.
You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell.
Bad news, bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad news, bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too.
Dopest Amazon product.
If you're someone who would say they don't like labeling things, then we are not cut from the same cloth. You get it. It's a label maker. This thing is small, connects to your phone, and what really sold me is how cool you can actually make the labels themselves. Add photos, change the color, change the font. The possibilities are endless. Literally.
Gadgets you need or don't. Anyone else hate when their soda goes flat? These covers snap onto the top of the can and have a built-in pump that repressurize the soda to keep your drink fresh for weeks at a time. You can also use them to keep bugs out. So are these something you need or don't?
Killing them in the UK, everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style once said, tell me cool down, down. Don't act a fool now, now. Always act a fool, ow, ow. Ain't nothing new now, now. Being crazy, I know what you're thinking. Rapping, I know what you're drinking. Rap singer, chain blinger. Holla at the next chick soon as you're blinking. What's your persona about this Americana? Rhymer and my shadow, cause all my clothes designer,
Lights, camera, action.
Amazon summer favorites. If you don't have a fancy backpack beach chair, no problem. These straps are so helpful as they will attach to any folding chair so you can free up your hands. If you like capturing underwater experiences with your phone, then this waterproof hard case is for you. I've been using this one for a year and the video and image quality is clear and you can easily swipe and push buttons on your phone. When we go kayaking or paddleboarding, we always keep our personal items like our keys, wallets, and towels completely dry in our waterproof bag. I've had this for 2 years and it's the best for any outdoor activity. And just for fun, we love our floaties for the summer. Everything is linked for you in my profile.
You have areas of your home with breakable items like this, or even wine glasses, and you have a little kid or a cat that likes to climb shelves, this gel is going to work for you.
Amazon kitchen favorites that you need, starting with this oil dispenser, which has a measuring cup built right into the lid. Just give it a squeeze. Next, gravity-enabled salt and pepper grinders. They are a must. And a compact strainer that clips to the side of your pot and pan and stores easily too. Find them all linked to my bio, like and follow for more.
Stuff on Amazon you might actually need. These are my reusable hand warmers that you can activate by playing with this little button, then just boil so you can use them again. This is my neck pillow that helps you lengthen your neck and can help with cervical pain. And these are my pouch cups that make it so your kids can easily eat things in pouches and won't make a huge mess. It just takes one big squeeze.
Random Amazon summer find. This outdoor table turns into a cooler that's designed to hold up to 50 12-ounce cans and frozen food. This table is UV damage resistant, fade resistant, and waterproof, and it has a built-in drainage plug for easy cleanup.